Hello friend, welcome back to English practice today. I am very happy that you are here with me for another simple and relaxing English lesson. Today we are going to learn 15 very useful English verbs that you can use every day. I will teach you how to use each verb in the past, in the present, and in the future, all in slow and easy English so you can understand everything clearly. My goal is to help you feel more confident when speaking English and to help you see your English grow a little stronger with every lesson. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and enjoy this class with me. Before we start today's practice, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notifications. That way you'll never miss a new English lesson. Now let's begin. Today we will focus on 15 important verbs: to start, to learn, to watch, to clean, to cook, to help, to open, to close, to listen, to call, to travel, to study, to finish, to play, and to understand. All these verbs are useful in everyday life, and you can use them to talk about your day, your routine, and your plans. I will show you how to use each verb in a simple sentence from yesterday, from today, and from tomorrow. This will help you practice past, present, and future in a natural and easy way. Let's begin with the first verb, to start. In the past we say, I started my day early yesterday. In the present we say, I start my day with a big cup of water. In the future we say, I will start a new habit tomorrow. This verb is helpful when you want to talk about beginnings, routines, and plans. The second verb is to learn. In the past we say, I learned a new word yesterday. In the present we say, I learn English every day. In the future we say, I will learn 15 new verbs this week. Learning is a slow and beautiful process, and this verb helps you talk about your progress. The third verb is to watch. In the past we say, I watched a movie last night. In the present we say, I watch English videos to practice. In the future we say, I will watch another lesson tomorrow. This verb is perfect when talking about TV, videos, or anything you see. The fourth verb is to clean. In the past we say, I cleaned my room yesterday. In the present we say, I clean my desk every morning. In the future we say, I will clean the kitchen later. This verb is common in daily routines and home activities. The fifth verb is to cook. In the past we say, I cooked pasta last night. In the present we say, I cook simple meals during the week. In the future we say, I will cook something special tomorrow. Cooking verbs help you talk about food and daily habits. The sixth verb is to help. In the past we say, I helped my friend yesterday. In the present we say, I help my family when I can. In the future we say, I will help you practice English today. Helping verbs show kindness and connection with others. The seventh verb is to open. In the past we say, I opened the window this morning. In the present we say, I opened my notebook before class. In the future we say, I will open the door for you. This is a simple verb that is used in many situations. The eighth verb is to close. In the past we say, I closed my laptop after work. In the present we say, I close my eyes to relax. In the future we say, I will close the windows tonight. Open and close are two of the most important everyday verbs. The ninth verb is to listen. In the past we say, I listened to music last night. In the present we say, I listen to English slowly and carefully. In the future we say, I will listen to this lesson again. Listening is one of the best ways to learn English. The 10th verb is to call. In the past we say, I called my mom yesterday. In the present we say, I call my family every week. In the future we say, I will call you tomorrow morning. Calling verbs help you talk about communication. The 11th verb is to travel. In the past we say, I traveled to another city last month. In the present we say, I travel when I have time and money. In the future we say, I will travel more next year. Travel verbs help you talk about movement and dreams. The 12th verb is to study. In the past we say, I studied English yesterday. In the present we say, I study a little every day. In the future we say, I will study harder this week. Studying is the heart of language learning. The 13th verb is to finish. In the past we say, I finished my homework last night. In the present we say, I finished my tasks before relaxing. In the future we say, I will finish this lesson soon. This verb helps you talk about completing actions. The 14th verb is to play. In the past we say, I played a game yesterday. In the present we say, I play with my dog in the afternoon. In the future we say, I will play music later today. Play is a happy and positive verb with many uses. The 15th and final verb is to understand. In the past we say, I understood the lesson yesterday. In the present we say, I understand more English every day. In the future we say, I will understand this verb better soon. Understanding grows slowly, and every lesson helps you improve. Now that you know these 15 verbs, let's put everything together in a simple explanation. When you talk about the past, you usually add it to the verb. When you talk about the present, you use the base form. And when you talk about the future, you add will before the verb. This structure is simple, and with practice it will become natural for you. The more you use these verbs in your daily life, the easier English will feel. You can use these verbs to talk about your routine, your plans, your memories, and your hopes. For example, you can say, yesterday I learned, today I learn, and tomorrow I will learn. This rhythm is easy and helps your brain understand time in English. Before we finish today's practice, I want you to remember something important. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Small practice every day is much better than one big study session once a week. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and repeat these verbs until they become natural for you. You're doing great, and I am very proud of your progress. This brings us to the end of the lesson. If you enjoyed this class, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more people learn English in a simple and friendly way. And before you go, leave a comment telling me which verb was the easiest and which verb was the most difficult for you. Your comment also helps you practice your writing, and writing is a wonderful way to improve your English. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.